And we are back, guys. So we're looking at today, or if you guys had watched my eraser and pencil case video, I was actually planning to open this in that video, but wanted to make the video short. So I'm gonna be opening this separately. So the Galarian Moltres, the Galarian Articuno, and the Galarian Zapdos. Promos, foils of those Pokemons. This is like kind of like collecting, for those of you who know about Yu-Gi-Oh! It's kind of like collecting Obelix, Slighter, and Ra, the Tree Gods. So give your collection a boost, expand your collection with 3 foil Pokemon TCG cards, featuring Galarian Articuno, Galarian Zapdos, Galarian Moltres with a metallic coin, 2 booster packs, and a card. So our Surfetched as the coin for today. So let's open here and take our time so that we do not drop any card. Okay, it's opening nicely. So we're gonna take our time. Open the seal. Wonderful. Wonderful. Try not to bend anything. Alright, so 1 pack there. Let me gently take this out. Rest that here. Pull from the top. Alright, so that's better. So I'm going to take this out. Rest that here. And then lastly, start here, and we get this out of the way. So firstly, let's look at our coin. Is that a scratch? Something? Yes, that's a... Oh, I almost dropped it. Our Surfetched coin. So, our 3 birds. Our 3 birds. Let's look at them individually. So our Galarian Articuno, 120 HP, ability Cruel Charge. When you play this Pokemon from your hand onto your bench, during your turn you may attach up to 2 energy cards from your hand to this Pokemon. Nice. And we have Laser. Discard energy from this Pokemon. This attack does 120 damage to one of your opponent's Pokemon. Nice ability. Alright, so let me shift that up there. Rest this here. Our next card, let me gently pick that up. So our Galarian Moltres, 120 HP. Same as Articuno. But apparently Zapdos is 110. Nice design. This reminds me of in Yu-Gi-Oh! There's a one of the dragons. There's a dragon, red rose, black rose dragon. Yeah, I think that's black rose dragon. Galarian Moltres kind of reminds me of black rose dragon. So Malevolent Charge. When you play this Pokemon from your hand onto your bench during your turn, you may attach up to 2 Dark Energy cards from your hand to this Pokemon. Kind of similar to Articuno. And this attack does 50 more damage each prize card your opponent has taken. So I guess there's some strategy with that attack there. And then lastly we have Galarian Zapdos, 110 in HP, Strong Legs Charge. When you play this card from your hand onto your bench during your turn, you may attach up to 2 fighting energy. Seems their ability is kind of similar. Zapper Kick. You may discard all energy from this Pokemon. If you do, the opponent's active Pokemon is now paralyzed. So our 3 birds there. Good. So we have 2 booster packs here. Let me leave the Astral Radiance for last, since that is newer. So we'll open up the Fusion Strike first. And the pack is torn once again. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so first we have Steel Energy. I kind of felt something in the back there. Okay, that's a basic at the back. So, Fusion Strike Energy, Bug Catcher, Centicorch, Phantom, Totodile, Trubbish. What a design! Imagine garbage looking that pretty. So we have a Pokeball, a banana, rain boot, slipper, some other garbage there. I like the design. Klefki, Shroomish, and another Centicorch. It seems it's a different. Well, we check it. It's our foil Centicorch. Oh, and it's a rare also. Nice. So what is our other rare for this pack? And it's going to be a Kangaskhan. Look at that kick. And look how excited the baby Kangaskhan is. Imitating its mother or father, whichever it is. The parent Pokemon. Kangaskhan. Yeah, I was trying to see if the other Centicorch. Yeah, I knew it looked different. So this is a different version. Yeah, so see that's 48 and that's 49. So we have two different design of the Centicorch there. Nice. Not a bad pull. A foil Centicorch with a Kangaskhan. Two rare Pokemons there. And our last pack for today, this one tore also. And it's not giving me a chance to try to save it. Why are the TCG cards like that? They're normally face down. Codes are normally down. Alright, so that is Psychic Energy. We have Triflim. Or is that Ghost? Psychic. I don't think there's Ghost card. I'll check it. Ursaring. Pretty sure it's Psychic. Sweet Honey. Hisuian Quillfish. Oshawott. Hoot Hoot. Another Pawniard. A Poochyena. I remember when the Hoenn region, when that came out and we met Poochyena and Miltank. Or foil. And it's a rare also. Nice. And our final rare for the pack. What is it going to be? A foiled Hisuian Sneasler. Nice. What a pull once again. Am I just getting good pulls? 120 Dark Energy, Carry and Climb. As long as this Pokemon is on your bench, your active Pokemon's retreat cost is 2 energies less, or 2 stars less. Claw Clash. Nice. 93 out of 189. So our Hisuian Sneasler. So what do we get today? Today we have our Hisuian Sneasler and our foiled Centicorch, Miltank, and our Kangaskhan. Nice pulls today. And not forgetting our 3 birds. Galarian Zapdos, Galarian Moltres, and Galarian Articuno. Alright, thank you guys for viewing.